Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills Selenium Career Guide. In this video, we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become a Selenium professional, and how Vskills Placement Cell can help you with your job. For complete study guide, you can go to the link shown in the description. So let's get started. Selenium refers to an automated testing framework, which is used for validating web applications across different browsers and platforms. Multiple programming languages can be used for creating Selenium Test Scripts. The tools in Selenium Automation include Selenium Integrated Development Environment, Selenium Remote Control, WebDriver, etc. Getting knowledge in Selenium Automation can help candidates to become Certified Selenium Professional. Responsibilities. 1. Certified Selenium Professional is responsible for developing, maintaining, and executing automated test scripts using Selenium. 2. They perform tasks like enhancing existing automation framework developed in Selenium, integrating Selenium scripts with Jenkins Cloud B, and maintaining traceability of test cases to automation test scripts. 3. They also develop automation test strategy and approach as well as manage automation activities. 4. Selenium Professionals maintains well-organized records of test results and further generate historical analysis of test results. 5. They understand how changes in the software product affect maintenance of test scripts. In today's job world, testing is considered as one of the most important and rewarding skills for getting good jobs, and automated testing is above that. In this Selenium training course, candidates will learn all the necessary skills to become a successful automation tester. However, Selenium professionals are in demand, as many top companies specializing in websites and web-based application testing are constantly hiring knowledgeable professionals. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job providers, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell help you in job search and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills Certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company, and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Vskills certified candidates will find employment in top companies like Hewlett-Packard, Adecco, Capgemini, Accenture, TCS, HCL, etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified Selenium Professionals covers the following topics. 1. Introduction. 2. Selenium IDE. 3. Locating elements. 4. Regular expressions. 5. JavaScript and Selenium parameters. 6. Expanding Selenium. 7. Selenium RC. 8. WebDriver. 9. Selenium Grid. 10. Advanced Selenium. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of a Selenium professionals. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, Practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.